Hi friends, I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm using these special farm animals to teach us about ordinal numbers. And all that means is just the order that something is in. So think about it like a line. All my farm animals are in a line. We have someone who is first and someone who is last, and then all the friends in between. So let's get started. So pretend that all my animals are in a line and we're starting right here. This is the beginning of the line. So who is first in my line? You know what animal this is? Moo, it's a cow. So the cow is first. First has a number 1. It's first place. He's the first one in the line. He's the line leader. First. So there's the word first. And there is a 1, our stick, first. The cow is first. He's number 1 in line, first. All right, now let's move on. So we have our number 1 cow, who's first in line, and then who's next to him? Do you know what animal this is? It's a pig. Our pig is next in line. So 1, 2, so the number 2 spot is called second. Can you say second? Good. So cow is first. Number 1 spot is first. Number 2 spot is called second. First, second. So here's our sign that says second. There's the word second. And there is our number 2. Around the track, back on the track, toot-toot. So our cow's first, our pig is in our number 2 spot or second. First, second. All right, let's move along. What is this? Nay, it's a horse. Here is our horse. And our horse is in our number 3 spot. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So cow's in first, pig's in second, and our horse is in our number 3 spot. The number 3 spot is called third. Can you say third? Third. Number 3 spot is called third. So there's the word third, and there is the number. Around the tree to make a 3. Around the tree to make a 3. So horse is number 3 in line. He is in third place. Cow's in first place, pig's in second place, and horse is in third place. He's in the 3rd spot. Third. All right, so moving along. Next is, do you know what this is? Woof, woof, it's a dog. There is our dog. And our dog is in 1, 2, 3, 4th place. So it's in the number 4 spot, and that is called fourth. So here's my sign. There's our number 4, down, over, up, down, over, up. There's our number 4, and this word says fourth. The doggy is in the 4th place. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's number 4 in line, which is called 4th place. So our number 1 spot where our cow is first. Our number 2 spot where our piggy is second. Our number 3 spot where our horse is third. And our number 4 spot where our doggy is 4th. All right, moving along. So our last one in line is this sheep. There's our sheep or lamb, but we're gonna call it a sheep. Our sheep is last in line. So the cow is first, the sheep is last. There's no one else behind him. He is last. All right. He is last or in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th spot. 5th means 5. He's in the 5 spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's in the 5 spot, which is called 5th. So here's our sign that says 5th. There's our 5 with our hat and a belly. 5 has a hat and a belly. So 5th place. That is where our sheep is. All right. So can you tell me which animal is in first place? Which animal is in the number 1 spot? Which animal is in first place? The cow, right? He is number 1. He's in first place. All right, now can you tell me who is in third place? Third place. Who's in the number 3 spot? Third. 1, 2, 3. Third. Third is 3. The horse is in our third spot. All right, who is in the last or 5th place? Who's last in line? Our sheep. All right, who's in our 4th spot? Who's number 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Our dog is in the number 4th spot or 4th place. All right, now who is second? Second means number 2. Who's number 2 in our line? Who's second? Our pig. Our pig is second. First, second, third, 4th, 5th. So those are all our numbers, our ordinal numbers, and our farm animals help us learn them. All right, bye friends. I'll see you all later. Thank you for listening.